I'm always on a lookout for interesting snack recipes. Today I'm going to make spicy dal gujiyas which are perfect for tea time snacking. Let's see how they are made. I'm going to start with 1 cup of flour, a little bit of salt to taste, 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. Let's mix this together first. I'm looking for a sandy texture here. Once the ghee is crumbled up into the flour, I'm going to start adding water. I want the dough to be quite stiff, so I'm going to add little water at a time. Once the dough comes together, turn it into a ball, cover it and rest it for about 30 minutes. Let's make the filling now. I have some moong dal here that I have soaked for 3 hours. I'm going to grind it up coarsely. Now we'll cook our filling. I'm adding in 1.5 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of sauce, along with 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 1 green chilli that has been chopped, and I'm also going to fry a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Now we're going to cook the dal that we have pulsed, add it to the pan and cook on low flame. Keep stirring it continuously, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pan. The mixture is nice and crumbly. Now let's add in a splash of water so that our masalas don't burn. I'm going to start with some amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and some kasuri methi. Add in salt to taste and give this a good mix. Just make sure that the mixture is completely dry so that you can store the gujiyas for a longer time. The mixture is ready. To cool it faster, I'm going to take it out on a plate. The dough has been resting for 30 minutes. Now it's time to make the gujiyas. I'm going to portion this first into small balls. Take one portion of the dough and turn it into a ball. I'm going to roll this into a circle. I'm going to add a little bit of the filling here in the center. I'm going to use a little bit of water. This is going to act like a glue and I'm going to convert it into a semicircle, making sure I pinch the edges. When you reach towards the other end, make sure there are no air pockets inside. Pinch the corners and turn it over itself. You'll get this beautiful pattern. I'm going to make the other ones in the same way. The dal gujiyas are now shaped. We are going to fry them on medium heat. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan, otherwise they might burst. I'm going to add 3 at a time. These spicy dal gujiyas can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week. It is best for the festive time and you can enjoy this with your chai in the evening. Try this recipe out and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.